Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and use OBS Studio filters. This is the only video you will ever need to watch on the internet. So let's just get straight into the video. First of all, let's clarify filters. There are a lot of types of filters that you can use in OBS. There's video filters, image filters, and simply audio filters that you can go ahead and use. I'm going to go ahead and start with the most obvious one, which is going to be the video filter. So for example, you have a scene, you need to go ahead and click on one of the sources. For example, I want to do it on my display capture. So let's say my display capture is showing, right? If I want to go ahead and add filters, all I do is click on this filters tab right over here and click on plus. Now, as you can see, there's so many things that you can go ahead and add. You could go ahead and add LUTs. You can add chroma key. You could add color correction, color key, crop pad, HDR tone mapping, image mask blend, luma key, render delay. I'm just not going to go ahead into the specifics. However, these are all the things that you can go ahead and use. So that is simply how you go ahead and add filters on your OBS Studio videos. Now for your audio, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the audio source on this triple dot icon and click on filters again and click on plus, and here are all the filters that you can go ahead and apply. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.